So hello guys, and welcome to GeoScreen. And today we are going to look on object OSNAP here, and in relation to the AutoCAD drawing tools. Alright, so if for example we are going to pick the polyline tool and try to make a polygon, alright, like the one on the screen now, you will realize that as you try to make your drawing, alongside the main polyline there are some arcs for the bearing, for the dimension, and also some text for the specification on the next point, dimension of 13.2213, and also a bearing of 174. So this means that the cursor is loaded with extra stuff apart from the polyline, alright, because we are loading with a bearing, with dimension, with a text for the specification maybe of the next point. And if you've been working with a machine with these settings on, you could maybe have realized that the process in which you work with the AutoCAD drawing tools is slowed down, whereby you cannot maybe be able to focus on some points. If you want to snap them like this point here, you find that the cursor appears to be shifting. Alright, if you want to focus on this mini point here, the cursor will also appear to be shifting from the point that you are targeting. So this is a reason of loading your cursor with a lot of settings. So to solve this, we are going to ensure that our cursor is relieved from all these settings, and this one is done in the object OSNAP settings. Alright, so we get to OSNAP settings here, and then on the object snap we are going to have it opened to the OSNAP modes by default. But these ones, we are going to do nothing with this because these are just the simple OSNAPs, which maybe you can activate or deactivate depending on which you want to work with in your drawing. So we are going to get to dynamic input, alright, and you realize that all the settings on this window have been activated. So we are going to disable all this, and then we try to work with our cursor here, and you realize that now the cursor has been relieved from all these settings. Alright, so if you are trying to focus on a certain point, you realize that it is now made with a lot of ease, because it won't be trying to shift from the point of your target. Alright, so those are the settings that you could check on, and this one could be affected much by the process of your machine. Alright, so if your machine is the one of a low processor, then this one could be affecting it a lot, and find that when you're working with your drawing tools here, you're having some difficulties. But for the solution on that, check on the OSNAP settings, and then you deactivate all the dynamic input settings. Alright, and so guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and stay tuned for the next forthcoming tutorials. Thank you.